The house I will walk you through is located in a coastal area of the state of Sergipe, Brazil. It was initially designed as a summer retreat, but soon became the family's main residence. The tie house was divided into two connected ground-level cores, one elongated, positioned longitudinally along the site, and the other with a more free-form polygonal geometry. The presence of solid brick is highly prominent, being used in various ways and settings, such as fencing, flooring, or as a shading element. The main pavilion houses almost the entire residential program, while the other block, connected to the first, is defined by a polygonal slab that accommodates the gourmet area, service area, and garage. The main block functions as a larger shelter, containing a smaller shelter. Both are intimate in nature and are separated by the house's social program, which includes an open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area. This block is protected by a large gabled ceramic roof that provides a high ceiling for social uses. Brick, wood, and white walls, these materials are present throughout the building, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance over time. The design decisions aim to balance local constraints of excessive sunlight and wind direction. Eaves, verandas, sunshades, and offsets between volumes to avoid thermal bridges were strategies adopted to ensure thermal comfort inside the residence. The main block's east-west orientation protects the house from the direct sunlight of the rising and setting sun. The north-facing side, less exposed to the sun, was fitted with movable brise-soleils, while the south side was practically opaque, featuring a long, narrow opening to promote cross-ventilation within the house. The movable brise-soleils were used to filter sunlight and also act as fences for the house. Their permeability allowed ventilation to remain active inside the house, even when closed.